Hello, good evening, everyone. I want to first of all thank you for tuning in. This is John Ruman, International Business Coaching Consultant. I'm going to share with you the events that I have upcoming in the next month and a half or so. So this is filmed in the end of July, and let's jump in because I have a lot going on, and I love to keep people abreast of what is happening. So first things first, on the 19th of August is the second men's event, the Men's Warrior event. This one is titled the Men's Warrior Challenge. It is on Sunday the 19th. It will be from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It'll be in the Port of Spain Royal Botanical Gardens. And basically, we'll start at 9. It'll be 2 hours of self-defense, and it'll be so we'll spend about 20 minutes reviewing the last warrior retreat, and then we'll spend the remaining time on various self-defense. We will do wrist and various techniques when it comes to wrist grabs and such. We will do 2 or 3 movement related drills. We will also do a few other self-defense things, and we'll have plenty of time to practice them. And I think the other plan is also to do one ground technique. So it's going to be probably a fair amount of stuff, and it's going to be very, very high value for those who are coming. You're going to absolutely love it. And then we're going to hike up Chancellor from there, and we'll do that for an hour round trip. Some of you guys who are going to be there are going to be the fit ones. You know who you are. You're welcome to sprint, but we are back starting in an hour from the hike. We're going to have lunch after that. You'll have a sandwich and regular refreshments like last time. And before we go up the mountain, we will do the haka again. And the haka, if you remember, is the Maori power pounding, the grounding, and the masculinity powerhouse that you'll have within yourself. And it'll make you feel very calm, centered, and that you can do anything. So that is the idea. So we'll do self-defense, martial arts, stuff like that for a couple hours. Then we'll work on the haka. So then once we do the haka, we go up and down Chancellor for an hour, have lunch, and then we're going to discuss the responsibilities of being a man in society when it comes to financial responsibilities, and just have an open dialogue about that. Okay, next event is on the 26th. That's a Sunday as well. These are all on Sundays. That one is a stress relief workshop. It will be 2 hours in length. It will be in St. Augustine, the Remax Real Estate Group office. There's limited seating. I have seats for approximately 15 persons in that class. And it'll be an active workshop. So I'm gonna first of all go over we will go over 2 techniques when it comes to totally relieving stress. These are very, very powerful. And we'll also have a workshop of all the different areas of stress, and I'll actually have you work through internally and with a little feedback from the group if you're struggling, how to minimize, mitigate, and reduce stress. And we'll talk about the bad effects of long-term stress, etc. Before I forget, Men's Warrior Challenge is $275 per individual. If you bring 2 guys, it'll be $500 for the pair. Men's only. Stress relief workshop, any gender, that is $175 day of, $125 prepay. And again, that's 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. on the 26th, again, a Sunday in Remax Real Estate. The next one is one I'm doing with the Sales Training Academy with Roger Moore, and that's a cold calling masterclass. That'll be 3 hours, and that is our most popular module. And what it goes into is, among other things, probably the most hard-hitting is what to say on a phone call to have it so that you set the appointment effectively, quickly. We will actually help you create a script. You will role play it. We'll teach you tonality, which is what they use in the radio profession to sell advertisements. And again, so that's September the 2nd from 2 to 5 p.m., 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The total investment for that is 600 TT. You can pay either one time 600, or you can do 300 pre-deposit and 300 day of. Assuming you love that class, which most of you will, we will take 400 of the 600 you invested in that class towards the 6-week course, which starts on the 13th of September, which is a Sunday. Okay, after that, and this is the first time I'm announcing this publicly, we're going to have a customer service excellence workshop. That'll be on the 9th of September. That's the following Sunday. Same location, Remax Real Estate Group, St. Augustine. That will be 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And again, this will this is role play based, just like the cold calling, just like the main sales course. And the power of role playing is that role playing will allow you to really retain 90% of what you're going to learn. So that will be entirely designed to for in-house customer service to help you have the greatest impact when it comes to that side of your business. And we expect this to sell out very quickly. The investment of this is same as the cold calling 600 for the course. And again, this is designed for in-house customer service. And then after that, on the 13th of September, I have with Roger the 6 weeks to Sales Mastery certification course, entirely role play, Thursday nights, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. That one is expected to actually be quite full. So if you have an interest in this, I would encourage you to reach out to kind of register, pay for your spot, to claim your spot, because it is first come, first served. And the total investment of that is $3,000, but to register and hold your spots, it's $500. You pay $1,000 on the first class, and then by class 5, which is a full month out, you pay the balance of $1,500. So you can pay it all at once, or you can pay $500, $1,000 for class 1, $1,500 at the 5th class. And that one is going to go over, I'll go over the main key points. So class 1 key point is creating a powerful energy and confidence about you in sales. Class 2, and continue with that class 1, we will also teach you the elevator pitch. Class 2 is networking and learning how to comfortably meet strangers and have them like you and genuinely build a connection. Class 3 is the cold calling class I just mentioned earlier. Class 4 is the physical meeting, preparing for the meeting, body language, how to actually do a meeting and have it move in the progress that you're looking for and keep people on track. And then the last, class 5 is the role play of the close and getting objections and handling objections in that situation. And then class 6 is the entire class role played. So each class has a role playing component. Each class is 3 hours in length, of which roughly half the class is role playing. So you're not, while you are learning and we teach you a lot in this course, you will be role playing roughly half the time, which allows you really to get a huge amount of retention and growth. You will honestly, most people just within the class get a sale every time we have a series. But besides that bonus of having the course give you some business, you will become unbelievably confident from where you are today when it comes to sales. So if you own a business, if you have a team of sales staff, if you have a team of floor staff who are with you and you know they could help you generate more sales, check out the customer service workshop on the 9th, and you can kind of get your feet wet and test the waters of the certification course by doing the cold calling class on the 2nd. So reach out to me with any questions. Again, I would love to hear any, if you need details or I forgot something in any of these classes, let me know. And I look forward to seeing you there, and I look forward to the opportunity to help you in whatever class that you happen to be on. And I appreciate you watching. I honor you and I thank you. So take care of yourself. Bye-bye.